So this video was captured on our security system, and if you notice at the bottom of the step on the left hand side, you see something just lingering, and then there you go, it slowly moved up the stairs and into the wall. So this night in particular, I had just gotten home from work. It was about 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'd just gotten home from work. And one thing with my husband, if I'm coming home from work, he cannot fall asleep. He's gonna wait up for me. So he waited up for me and stuff, and we, were there getting ready for bed. About 3:30, we heard like footsteps. So we said, okay, must be our son, Tajay, came home. He had gone out for the night, so he came home. So we just took it that it was Tajay that came into the house at that time. So the morning my husband, he woke up and stuff, and he was like, it didn't feel right. It's like something didn't feel right in regards to the noise that we heard. Like it didn't feel right because we didn't hear his door open to his bedroom. So it didn't feel right. So he in turn went back to the security camera and rewind it to about 3:30, which is around this time it happened. But we're rewinding it, and we were just like watching it, and we were like, what is that at the bottom of the stairs? It's like, it looks like a cloud of mist just there at the bottom of the stairs. And then it just slowly moved to the top of the stairs. It was like we were both looking at each other like, did we just see what we just saw? But it is what it is. I've experienced so many different things that are out of this world. You can't explain it. You try to explain it away, but you just can't explain it.
What do you guys think?